Today I'm going to show you how to remove text from a photo in Pixlr, completely free, using the simple built-in retouching tool. This is a really useful trick if you need to clean up an image, remove labels, get rid of watermarks on your own images, or just make a photo look more polished. And the best part is, you can do it right in your browser without downloading complicated software. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Pixlr Express in your PC browser. Once the page loads, upload your photo by dropping the image directly into the workspace. You can also use the upload option if that feels easier, but dragging and dropping is usually the fastest method. After your image loads, you'll see the editing workspace and the tools available along the side. Now look at the left side toolbar and click on Retouch. This is the tool you'll use to remove unwanted text from the image. The Retouch option is represented by a band-aid icon, so if you're scanning the toolbar, that's the one to choose. Once you click it, a menu panel will open with different retouching options. From that menu, choose the Heal tool. This is the feature that helps Pixlr automatically blend surrounding pixels into the area you're editing. It's what makes the text removal look natural, instead of leaving a harsh blank spot. After selecting Heal, look at the top menu bar and set the mode to either Spot or Soft. These are the free modes you want to use. Just make sure you avoid the Object button, because that option requires a premium account. Next, adjust the brush size. You want the brush to be just slightly wider than the letters you're trying to erase. If the brush is too small, you'll need too many clicks. If it's too large, it may blend more of the image than you want. So take a second here and fine-tune the brush size slider until it feels right for the text on your photo. Now comes the part that makes this technique work so well. Instead of dragging the mouse across the text, click directly onto the text one letter at a time. Pixlr will instantly try to blend the background color over that letter and replace it with nearby texture. This method usually gives a cleaner result than brushing across the whole word all at once, especially when the background has a simple pattern or a smooth color. Keep clicking through the letters until the full piece of text is removed. If a section still looks a little visible, just make a few more small clicks around the area until it blends better. For best results, work slowly and zoom in if needed, so you can target each letter more accurately. This is especially helpful if the text is placed over a detailed background, because precise clicks usually produce a much cleaner finish. Once you're happy with the result, it's time to save your edited image. Click the Save button in the lower corner, and then export your file as a JPG or PNG for free. JPG is great for regular photos, while PNG is a better choice if you want to preserve image quality or keep transparency, depending on your project. After that, your edited image will be ready to download and use wherever you need it. And that's it. You've just learned how to remove text from a photo in Pixlr without paying for extra tools. It's a fast, beginner-friendly method that can save you a lot of time when cleaning up images. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software tip you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.